So what's my vision for Cleveland CycleWerks India? The vision is really the same as it is for the company worldwide. It's to give another option. And that option is to have very affordable bikes that are exciting to ride, have enough power to slide the bike around, do wheelies, and have fun on them, but also provide the whole custom world that really isn't available at a price point that we're offering. So, this idea of customizing has always been appealing to me. I've never had a stock car or a stock motorcycle, ever. It's always been kind of an adventure to customize it to my own style. And, every bike's a little bit different. So for example, the bike that I'm standing in front of here, the idea was to mix kind of brand new color palette, really exciting, fresh colors with old school design cues. And that's what's so exciting about the brand and about the products, is that they can really be your own expression, whatever that is. And generally the platform is so attractive to start with that you end up with a very exciting, very attractive bike at the end. So the vision is just really affordable, cool bikes that just about anyone can afford to ride and customize.